Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the kidney, which was taken from the 2013 DBE Exemplar exam. So let's jump in. Study the diagram below and answer the questions that follow. So we've got this bean-shaped structure, it's an organ, and we need to answer questions relating to it. So 311, name the organ represented in the diagram. The bean-shaped organ is known as the kidney. Okay. Identify region A and parts B and D. Okay, region A over here represents all this part here. That is known as our renal cortex. Whenever you see the word renal, it refers or it relates to the kidney. Part B, is the structure over here, and that is our renal pyramid. Renal pyramid. And the last one, D is pointing to this region over here. That region is known as the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis. Okay. Let's just go through some of the other labels quickly. At E, we have the renal capsule, which protects the kidney, and at C, we've got the renal sinus, and at F, we have the ureter. The ureter will take urine towards the bladder. 313. Give the function of each of the following parts. Part E. As I said, part E is the renal capsule. And the renal capsule, its purpose is to protect the kidney. So, for E, renal capsule protects kidney. And F is the structure over here. As I said, that is the ureter. And the ureter is to transport urine. And it will transport the urine down to the bladder. Last question, 314. Give 3 functions of the organ in question 3.1.1. So 3 functions of the kidney. Number 1, we could say it's involved in excretion. So to get rid of waste. 3.2, regulates water. So osmoregulation. And we could also say that it regulates the acidity levels in our body, so pH regulation. And that's that, guys. That was 9 easy marks done in a matter of a few minutes. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. And just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.